Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Santiago Andrade, founder and CEO of Finequities, to discuss how the world of trading is evolving when it comes to accessibility. Santiago, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us about Finequities.
Well, Finequities, we've been, for the last couple of years, building this platform, which is a social investing platform. It is a community of investors where people can share their strategies, they can share their investment decisions, and even they can copy other trades, which means that they have that advisory next to them. And from the investor side is what we have always thought about, building this platform. So it's not just a technological tool, but something related to investors.
Is it changing the world of trading in terms of accessibility? How is it changing for retail investors?
Well, absolutely. It's changed a lot. I remember it used to be a territory, a space only for high net worth individuals, so you needed to have a lot of money to open an account in a bank, and then the way they were executing trades. And now it's totally accessible to anyone. But the fact is that what's happening is that through trading apps, stats don't lie, right? So it's like 80 to 90% of the people are not making profitable investments. So they need that help, that advisory. That's what we're trying to bring with Finequities. When you have accredited investors that you can copy and you can receive that advice and at the same time share strategies, right? So it's pretty important, I think. Investors need help. So that's why we are here, right? And that's pretty much our mission. It's always thinking about investors.
What differentiates aspects on the Finequities platform relative to traditional investment platforms?
Well, other platforms probably have what I was saying, right? Just an investment tool where you can trade. So our mission is always being next to the client, to the customer. And on the technological side, what we've done is, we are Nasdaq data clients, so that means very much for us, which is accuracy and having the best data available that you can have. And on the investor side, it's a learning experience. We're giving a premium platform where you have paid commissions for anything, and at the same time, fractional shares. And we put all of that on the same plate, which means that you have an all-in-one platform, advisory, and at the same time, the best that you can offer in technological side.
In a rapidly evolving fintech market, what strategies does Finequities have in place to stay ahead of what's a very dynamic marketplace?
Well, we don't really know what's going to happen in the future, but what we know is that we will always be on the advisory, on the investor side, which means that anything that's coming in the future, lately it's happened, ChatGPT, for example, right? So you need to be updated all the time, and once you are next to the client, next to the customer, and you're building everything, you're, for example, bringing like accredited investors or people who really know about this, and they are actually advising our customers. That's our place. So that's what we will do. Anything that's coming, we don't really know about the assets of the future, but whatever comes will be on investor side.
All right, Santiago, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thanks a lot.
And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.